With the rapidly gaining population, the increase in the chronic diseases, the short of the quality medical resources, and the rising public medical expenses, the education of the AI in the healthcare sector in China has brought new development, direction, and motivation to the medical field. Currently, investment in AI in the healthcare industry in China is ranked first in the world, and the quality of the research is amongst the top three. One of the most common applications of AI in China healthcare industry. Medical imaging refers to the specific application of AI technology in the diagnosis of the medical imaging. AI may find the multiple application from imaging acquisition and processing to the audit reporting, follow-up planning, data shortage, and so on. Look at the video 1. This video is about the AI-based imaging recognition technology development called Tencent Miying. It made by Chinese tech giant Tencent, which is the work to add greater efficiency and accuracy to the Chinese healthcare system in the future. Miying takes advantage of the AI technology in order to specialize in the earlier screening of the several high-risk cancer. Due to the huge gap in the number of the professional doctors in the medical imaging in China, the rate of the misdiagnosis and misdiagnosis is high, and the speed of the manual diagnosis is limited. AI in medical imaging can help to process imaging data in the following aspects: reading mode, time, accuracy, objectivity, memory, modeling conditions, information utilization, and the difficulty of the quantitative analysis, expenses, transmission, and cost. Patient, physician, and the hospital will all benefit from the use of the AI in model imaging in China. As a percent, AI is the medical imaging products is the mostly used for the decision screening, especially cancer and chronic diseases. Most of the roughly formed AI medical imaging products in China are in the trial stage of the hospital, and the healthcare AI companies in China has not realized perfect yet. And look like the second video. This video is about AI can monitor some business physical characteristics of the people. Through AI, doctor can simply evaluate the whole physical quality of the users. Intelligent device based on AI can monitor some business physical characteristics of the people, such as the diet, body health index, sleep, and so on. Through AI, doctor can simply evaluate the whole physical quality of the users, determine the daily planning for the users, provide personality healthy management program, monitor the healthy factor of the users. Massive big data is the necessary prerequisite for the development of the healthy management in China, from the technology drive perspective, and AI can make personality healthy management possible through infection calculation and current decision analysis. In addition, AI can also provide users with a risk monitoring. When the user physical healthy problem, AI can identify the risks of the disease causing occurs in the timely manner. Remind user to pay attention to their own health and safety. To provide sure to reduce the risk of the physical health. Not only that, the AI also provides a kind of follow-up medical service function for the user. After the user receives the treatment, the follow-up stage may help the patient to make sure the body data correctly provides the vital sign index. Give the doctor a current feedback on the results of the diagnosis and the treatment. When AI application offer a new opportunity to improve people's daily life, it also brings challenges that must be managed effectively. The challenges are especially daunting in the healthcare sector because people live are at the stake. If people technique is wrong in the treatment, who should be accountable for the accident? This is a very difficult question to answer as it involves a number of the technical, managerial, and ethical issue. Secondly, since AI-based systems are based on the vast data sets, privacy issue raise the term of the data collection and sharing. But in the long run, medical AI face many burning issues and breakthroughs that are truly being addressed before AI can take a large role. As society demand for the AI continue to improve, it is believed that AI will play an increasing role in the medical world. Look at the case study. Facing the challenge of the COVID-19, breakthroughs in the application of AI have been accelerated. Firstly, big data analysis will be more intelligent. It will be earlier to find epidemics at the early stage, track close contacts, predict the possible evaluation of the value in the future, and real-time data with the machine learning and deep learning. Second, epidemic prediction will be more accurate. How human behavior will change to improve the ability to detect and respond epidemic risk. Thirdly, detection and prevention of the pandemic will be automated. Computer vision technology will be used to screen individuals with COVID-19 symptoms such as fever, and facial recognition technology will be used to track the activity of the individuals with the same times in the crowd and inform relevant development of the statistical data and the probability of the value transmission.